child's inborn talent? Do they incline towards being creative or towards being logical? Do they enjoy playing sports or do they like academics? Or are they in love with music? There are three main learning patterns: auditory, visual, and kinesthetic. In auditory, you learn by listening. In visual, you learn by seeing. And in kinesthetic, you learn by demonstration. In DMIT, which is Dermatoglyphics Multiple Intelligence Test, through fingerprint analysis, you get to know the child's dominant side of the brain, whether they are more creative or logical. You also get to know the child's personality, and through this information, you can guide a child for their right career path.